Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on building statistical summaries with R. A little about myself. I have a master's in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. In this course, you will gain the ability to harness the full power of inferential statistics, which are truly richly supported in R. First, you will learn how hypothesis testing, which is the foundation of inferential statistics, helps posit and test assumptions about data. Next, you will discover how the classic t-test can be used in a variety of common scenarios around estimating means. You will also learn about related tests such as the z-test, the Pearson's chi-squared test, Levin's test, and Welch's t-test for dealing with populations that have unequal variances. Finally, you'll round out your knowledge by using ANOVA, a powerful statistical technique used to measure statistical properties across different categories of data. Along the way, you'll explore several variants of ANOVA, including one-way, two-way, Kruskal-Wallis, and Welch's ANOVA. You will build predictive models using linear regression and logistic regression. And finally, you will understand A/B testing and implement both frequentist and Bayesian approaches to implement this incredibly powerful technique. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to use powerful techniques from hypothesis testing, including t-tests, ANOVA, and Bayesian A/B testing in order to measure the strength of statistical relationships within your data.